Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot with U Chapter 2, and I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services so you can get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. I'll cover how to show and hide tools you may not even know exist, and then some tips on how to use them as well. So let's jump into Bluebeam here. And so what you're seeing here is the Bluebeam interface. Obviously, I have turned off in my profile all of the tools and all of that, just so we can focus on the panels over here. So in Bluebeam Revu, you'll notice on the side, depending on which profile you're in, I am in the Revu Advanced, but I've modified my profile for this presentation, turned a bunch of stuff off, and actually put all of my tools panels on the left side here. When you open Bluebeam, you might see some of these tools on the left. You might see them over here on the right. Some of them you'll even see across the bottom. So for now, I stacked them all here. We're going to go through each one and show you what they're for, what they do. You can see here all the ones with the blue highlighted in blue. That means that they're turned on. So you can turn those on. If there's any of these that you don't use, you can also right click and just click on hide, and it will turn that one off. Let's dive in and show you what these are all about. The next one here looks like 4 little squares. That is our thumbnails. In the thumbnails, there's a couple different windows here. I'm going to switch over to a different document. Actually, I'm going to stay on this one. There's a couple different things that you can do in here. The first button here, and this is in Revu 20, you can display the page label and the page scale. That's something they added recently. So it'll tell you the scale of each page in this document. This is only a 1-page document. So you can turn that on and off. If you don't want to see the scale, you just turn that off. Okay. The other one that we can do in here is our create page labels. So I am going to switch over to this document here. This is a multi-page document. You can see all of my thumbnails are named 1, 2, 2, several number 2s. At the bottom of the thumbnails, we have this little dial, so you can scale up and down the size of those thumbnails. And in here, I'm going to click on create page labels. And this tool here, I can go ahead and select a region, draw a box around the drawing number, click OK, and in a matter of a couple of seconds, it's going to rename all those page labels with what it saw in that window on each page. So there you can see how that works. That again was under the create page labels. Thanks for joining us. I hope you guys took notes and enjoyed the detailed introduction to Revu's tool panels. Reach out to Darren and his team at Brighter Graphics to learn more about additional licenses of Revu Extreme or the small investment of upgrading your existing seats. And as always, if you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company, don't hesitate to reach out to our team as well.